Hello and welcome. This is a video about how to start to code with Java in 2024 using Windows. We will be installing two programs. The first one is JDK. It's Java Development Kit, the program you need to develop with Java. It comes with the Java Virtual Machine. It's needed to run Java codes. And the second one will be an IDE, an Integrated Development Environment. It's a program which helps us to code more efficiently and manage projects. So the JDK will be the 21 version, and the IDE I will use IntelliJ Community version. It's a free Java IDE from JetBrains. Let's start with the JDK. So JDK 21 download. We'll be using the Oracle website. Here is the Windows version. I downloaded the MSI because it helps us with the installation. After that, we can download the IntelliJ IDE. It comes to the JetBrains website. It will try to download the ultimate one, but it's not free. It's only 30 days trial. You can click other versions and you will find the community version right here. I already downloaded both of them. I will start installing the JDK. It takes a while. Okay, next. After that, I will install the IntelliJ. We click next. I don't need a shortcut. I like to update the path variable, open folder as project, and I don't need to associate the files. I don't like them associated. Next, install. I will not reboot right now, but I suggest you to do. And to find it, I press the Windows IntelliJ Community Edition. I don't need to import settings. It's a fresh Windows installation here. And we can start to create our project. New project. It detected the JDK and test project, Java, create. And we have our main class. It already has some code here. I will delete this code because I just want to write a system out print line. Hello world. And we can run the project with Shift F10 or clicking here. And that's it. Now we can create our projects and code and run Java files. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to like this video. We have a Discord channel where you can join your community. And thank you very much for your view.